When PMP aspirants find they made the error I'm going to talk about, they feel embarrassed. So watch this video as I will also give you a quick tip on how to reduce the chances of making this mistake. Hey, Daud here, project management coach and trainer. It is not out of ordinary to make mistakes on your PMP exam. The exam allows it, as you can pass the exam without getting all 175 questions correct. However, there is one error that I have seen PMP candidates make while they are preparing for the exam. The problem is that they make this error while knowing the correct answer. Exam is hard enough, so you do not want to lose marks for the stuff you know. Let us see an example to understand. Here is a sample PMP question. A project manager needed to shorten a project schedule. He decided to apply crashing a schedule compression technique. Which of the following activities is not an example of crashing? Bringing in additional resources, reducing project scope, paying to expedite delivery activities, approving overtime. Some candidates read the question and realize they know crashing technique quite well. Immediately, they move to the choices and read the first choice. Bringing in additional resources. Yes, that is crashing because it will increase cost and crashing increases cost. I got it. A is correct. They may also read B and say, well, that is not crashing. This means A is correct. Now, in the haste of moving forward to next question, just being anxious or feeling overconfident, they select A and move on. However, the problem is that the question was asking not an example. It means 3 of the 4 choices are crashing, 1 is not, and that is the correct choice. So they got this question wrong, not because they didn't know it, but because they made a blunder. If you have been going through question sets, did this happen to you? Now, how not to make this error? There are 2 tricks you can use. First is that the more you practice, the chance that you will make such a mistake gets lesser and lesser. Second is that when you read the question first time, and every time you read the words like not or except, note it down best on the online whiteboard you have, or at least mentally note it and repeat that this is what you are looking for in the answer. Then just practice. My students stopped making this error as they practiced more and more. In our questions review, they would feel embarrassed and will explain that they know the stuff. But the exam is not just about you knowing the stuff. It is about identifying the correct answer to show you know it. I hope this helps with your PMP exam prep. Thanks for watching and bye for now.